Hello and welcome back to How It's Done. In today's fast-paced, consumer-driven world, the production of frozen pizzas is a marvel of modern engineering, with automated factories churning out thousands of pizza daily to meet the high market demands. This production line operates with incredible efficiency, ensuring that every pizza is consistent in quality, taste, and appearance. The process of making frozen pizzas on such a large scale is a testament to the advanced technology and meticulous planning that goes into mass food production. The dough mixing process. The journey of a frozen pizza begins with the dough, the foundation of the pizza-making process. In these large-scale production facilities, automatic mixing machines are at the heart of dough preparation. These machines are designed to mix precise amounts of flour, water, yeast, and other essential ingredients. This mixture is carefully blended until it forms a smooth, cohesive dough, a process that must be exact to ensure consistency in the final product. Once the dough has reached the desired texture and consistency, it's transferred onto conveyor belts that move it through various stages within the factory. These conveyor belts are a critical component of the automated system, efficiently transporting the dough to different processing areas. The dough's journey through the factory is a seamless flow from one stage to the next, all managed by advanced automated systems. Dough ball formation and fermentation. After the dough has been thoroughly mixed, it undergoes a shaping process where it's divided into uniform balls. This step is crucial, as it ensures that each pizza starts with the same amount of dough, maintaining consistency across the production line. The dough balls are then moved along the production line by a complex network of conveyors and lifts designed to handle large quantities efficiently. In some sections of the factory, the dough balls are allowed to rest and ferment. This resting period is essential as it allows the dough to rise, enhancing its flavor and texture. Fermentation is a key step in traditional pizza making, and even in large-scale production, it remains an important process. The dough balls are carefully monitored during this time to ensure that they develop the desired characteristics before moving on to the next stage. Pizza base shaping techniques. The shaping of the pizza base is another critical stage in the production process. There are two primary methods for shaping the dough into the final base pizza. The first method involves pressing the dough balls into round bases using precision pressing machines. These machines are calibrated to apply just the right amount of force, ensuring that each base is of consistent thickness and diameter. This uniformity is vital for the overall quality and appearance of the finished pizza. Alternatively, the dough can be shaped into elongated sheets, which are then fed through a series of rolling and cutting machines. These machines are meticulously designed to cut the dough into the desired pizza shape, maintaining consistency in size and thickness. This method is particularly efficient for high-volume production, as it allows for the shaping of dough without needing to handle individual dough balls. Both shaping methods are designed to ensure that the pizza base meets strict standards of quality and uniformity. The automated nature of these processes not only enhances efficiency, but also minimizes human error, leading to more consistent product. Applying the toppings. Once the pizza bases are prepared, the process moves on to the topping phase, which is equally automated and precise. The first step in this phase is the application of tomato sauce. Advanced dispensing machines are used to apply a precise amount of sauce to each pizza base, ensuring even coverage. These machines are equipped with specialized rollers that spread the sauce uniformly across the surface of the dough, which is crucial for the taste and appearance of the final product. Following the sauce application, the pizza moves on to the topping station. Here, a variety of toppings from savory meats to fresh vegetables are added. The toppings are dispensed by machines equipped with rotating arms, which delicately place each ingredient into the sauce bases. The amount of each topping is carefully measured to ensure that every pizza receives the correct balance of ingredients, maintaining consistency across the production line. The final topping to be added is usually shredded cheese, a quintessential component of any pizza. Specialized machines are used to sprinkle a precise amount of cheese over the toppings, ensuring that every pizza is covered evenly. The cheese is carefully measured and distributed to guarantee that each bite of the pizza will have the right amount of gooey melted cheese, which is essential for the overall flavor and appeal of the pizza. The freezing process. After the pizza has been fully assembled, they are ready for the next crucial step, freezing. To ensure long-term storage and maintain quality during transport, the pizzas are rapidly frozen. This process typically involves placing the pizzas into a blast freezer or tunnel freezer where they are cooled to freezing temperatures quickly. The rapid freezing helps preserve the texture and flavor of the pizza, ensuring that it remains fresh until it reaches the consumer. Most pizzas are not pre-cooked, although some varieties are partially cooked before freezing. For these pizzas, the production line includes large ovens where the pizzas are baked on a continuous conveyor belt. The ovens are carefully controlled to cook the pizzas evenly without overcooking them, preserving the quality of the dough and toppings. Packaging and distribution. The final stage of the production process is packaging. Once the pizzas have been frozen, they are transferred onto the conveyor belts that transport them into the packaging area. In this section of the factory, advanced systems are used to wrap the pizzas in plastic film or shrink wrap. These wrapping machines use a combination of rollers, heat sealing mechanisms, and cutting devices to secure the packaging around the pizza, protecting it from external contaminants and ensuring freshness. For pizzas that are packaged in cardboard boxes, automated carton erecting machines are used. These machines quickly assemble flat cardboard boxes into fully formed boxes, ready to receive the frozen pizzas. Once the pizzas are placed inside the boxes, sealing mechanisms close and secure the cartons using adhesive tape or hot melt glue. This ensures that the boxes are properly sealed to prevent tampering and protect the pizzas during transportation and storage. The entire packaging process is designed to be as efficient as possible while maintaining the integrity of the final product. The use of automated systems throughout the packaging stage ensures that the pizzas are handled with care and that the packaging is secure, which is essential for maintaining the quality of the product as it makes its way from the factory to the consumer's home. The production of frozen pizzas in automated factories is a complex process that combines advanced technology with precision engineering to create a consistent and high-quality product. From the initial mixing of the dough to the final packaging, every stage of the process is carefully controlled to ensure that each pizza meets strict standards of quality and taste. These factories are a testament to the incredible efficiency and capability of modern food production technology. By automating every aspect of the pizza-making process, these facilities can produce large quantities of pizza quickly and consistently, meeting the demands of consumers around the world. The result is a product that retains the flavors and textures that make pizza a beloved food, even when it's prepared on a massive scale.